Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're going to take the kind of nebulous, sometimes totally confusing concept of making money online, and we're translating it into a concrete, easy-to-understand taxonomy of Instagram earning methods. If you've ever looked at a successful creator and wondered, where exactly is the cash coming from? Well, you are absolutely in the right place. We're about to break down the exact architecture of this digital economy.
So let's dive right into this massive question. It's literally the thing aspiring creators, digital marketers, and small business owners ask every single day. We all see the polished grids, the viral travel reels, the flashy brand tags on a new energy drink, but the actual mechanics of the financial transaction? That's usually completely hidden behind the scenes. How does a simple double tap actually translate into a dollar? How do you turn fleeting attention into a sustainable, reliable income?
To really wrap our heads around this, we've got to first define the ecosystem we're actually operating in. Because trust me, it has evolved way past the early days of ad hoc sponsorships where a brand just, mailed a creator a free t-shirt or something. Today, it is a complex, multi-layered digital economy. It's an environment where creators are actively exchanging value, their time, their creativity, and honestly, most importantly, their audience trust, with brands, with their fans, and with the platform itself. And that audience trust, that's the real currency here. When a creator spends years answering comments, sharing personal stories, and building a community, they're creating a massive reservoir of goodwill. And in this ecosystem, that goodwill is what gets exchanged to generate a diversified income.
Okay, here's our roadmap for today's explainer. We're going to hit the Instagram ecosystem, brand sponsorships and deals, audience-funded earning tools, platform and commerce tools, and finally, your diversification strategy.
Let's jump straight into Section 1, the Instagram ecosystem, and organizing the earning methods.
All right, so here is the absolute crucial point. To prevent total cognitive overload, because there are dozens of ways to make money online now, we have to mentally file these methods by asking one super simple question. Who is actually funding your work? Are you being paid by a corporation? Are you being paid by a loyal fan? Or are you being paid by an algorithm? By identifying the who, the how becomes incredibly clear. Beginners actually fail a lot precisely because they skip this step. They'll try to apply a strategy meant for corporate brand deals directly to a loyal fan base, and they just come across as way too salesy. Or they pitch their tight-knit community vibes to an algorithm that literally only cares about retention metrics. Knowing exactly who is writing the check, that is step 1.
Moving right along to Section 2, brand sponsorships and deals, which is our external B2B funding.
Let's map out these traditional methods by comparing the actual effort to the potential payout. Take sponsored posts. They require a massive amount of effort. You're jumping on discovery calls, you're negotiating complex contracts, submitting scripts for legal approval, making sure you hit strict brand guidelines. It can take weeks of back and forth for a single 60-second video. But the trade-off? The income potential is fixed and potentially really high. You know exactly what you're going to get paid before you even hit post. Now compare that to affiliate links. The effort here is super low, which makes it incredibly beginner-friendly. You just grab a custom link for a product you already use and love, toss it in your stories, and you're done. However, the income is entirely variable and commission-based. If nobody clicks and buys, you don't get paid. It's this really fascinating trade-off between guaranteed, high-effort money and scalable, low-effort commissions.
Now, before we explore our next bucket, we have to talk about a fundamental shift that changes absolutely everything for a creator. On one side, you have B2B income, relying on external brand marketing budgets. You are basically renting out your audience's attention to a company. But on the other side, you have B2C direct support. This is a monumental shift. You no longer need a middleman. Your actual fans are opening their own wallets to pay you directly for the specific value that you provide to them.
And that brings us perfectly to Section 3, Audience-Funded Earning Tools, focusing on that direct B2C support.
Think about how these audience-funded tools actually function in the real world right inside the app. You've got badges, which viewers can purchase to stand out during your live streams, dropping a few bucks here and there to show their appreciation in real time. And then you have paid subscriptions, which is a recurring monthly fee fans pay for your absolute best exclusive content. Imagine you're a fitness creator. Instead of hoping some supplement company sponsors you and dictates exactly what you have to say, these tools let your most dedicated followers, the ones who are literally doing your workouts every single morning, support your specific niche directly. You don't have to worry about selling out or compromising your core message just to appease a brand. You get absolute creative freedom funded by the people who value your work the most.
All right, Section 4, platform and commerce tools for independent earning.
This bucket covers a surprisingly wide spectrum of independence. On the one hand, you're directly capturing platform incentives. Instagram itself wants to keep users on the app, right? So they offer things like Reels bonuses, literally paying creators directly for generating high view count short-form video. That is the algorithm paying you. But on the other hand, you have the absolute most advanced step of independence, setting up a full integrated e-commerce shop right on your profile. This is where you aren't just selling another brand's product with a promo code, and you aren't relying on a platform bonus that could honestly disappear tomorrow. You are selling your own physical or digital products. You own the inventory, the pricing, the whole shebang. Why does this matter? Well, owning your own e-commerce shop might carry the highest risk for sure, but it also yields the absolute highest profit margins. It effectively turns a creator from a simple influencer into a true autonomous business owner.
Finally, we've made it to Section 5, your diversification strategy, and how to layer these income buckets.
Imagine a truly thriving creator's business. What does the money actually look like? Notice how balanced a healthy income portfolio is. You might see brand deals making up a solid 40%, but they're firmly backed up by 30% from their own e-commerce shops, 20% from direct audience subscriptions, and maybe 10% from platform bonuses and affiliates. Relying on just one slice of this pie, it's incredibly risky. I mean, what if a brand pulls their marketing budget overnight? What if the algorithm changes and your Reels bonuses just dry up completely? Building a resilient, stress-free income absolutely requires a layered, diversified strategy exactly like this.
So, how do we build this into an actionable plan? Here is your concrete path to start layering these earning methods today so you don't feel like you have to sprint to the finish line all at once. Step 1. You start with the beginner methods. Share some affiliate links for products you already use and love. It's low effort and it gets you comfortable with the mechanics of digital selling. Step 2. As you provide consistent value over time, you're going to build immense audience trust. That is the exact moment you launch subscriptions and live badges, inviting your true fans to support you directly. And then step 3, once you have a highly engaged, loyal base and you deeply understand what they need, you establish your own independent e-commerce shop for ultimate financial control. You're smoothly transitioning from relying on external funding to running your own independent commerce empire.
As we wrap up this explainer today, I really want to leave you with this powerful realization. It perfectly sums up the mechanics of the modern creator economy. If you take away just one thing today, let it be this. Don't look for a single magic bullet. Successful monetization isn't about choosing one method, but layering them to build a resilient, diversified income. The secret to a long, profitable career online is creating a web of income streams that all support each other.
So as you look at this massive, multi-layered opportunity within the Instagram ecosystem, you have to ask yourself a very practical question right now. What is your first income layer going to be? Will you start with an affiliate link today? Or are you ready to launch a subscription for your biggest fans? The tools are literally all right there waiting for you. Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and I absolutely cannot wait to see what